Hi everyone, Astrobiologist here. Today I want to talk about Yellowstone National Park, one of the most important sites in astrobiology. Yellowstone Park is mostly in Wyoming, and it's chock full of cool geology like geysers and hot springs, and also big fluffy dogs that you can't pet. For astrobiologists, it's the hot springs that are important because they're full of some of the hardiest life on Earth. Now, we have a name for barely alive creatures which have adapted to extreme and intolerable conditions, and it's not grad students, it's extremophiles. Extremophiles can live around boiling mud volcanoes and in acid mine runoff, around deep sea vents in the ocean, even on the outside of the International Space Station. They're actually one of the main attractions at Yellowstone because they give the springs, like Grand Prismatic Spring, their color. Yellowstone's extremophiles live in near boiling water, in acids, and in muds, and that's why astrobiologists want to study them. Our planet is pretty temperate these days, minus the impending climate catastrophe. So when astronomers are looking for other planets that might have life, they're looking for planets that are the same temperature as Earth. But this might not necessarily reflect where life is in the galaxy, because as Yellowstone shows us, if there's a place, there's going to be a weird little guy living in that place. In order to better search for weird little guys in the galaxy, we need to find and study weird little guys here on Earth. We need to figure out things like, do they produce gases that could be detected from another star system? Or, are there any places on Earth that life doesn't take hold? Is there anywhere that's too hot, or too salty, or too acidic for life to form? All that research can be done here in Yellowstone Park in all of its extreme environments. Also, extremophile life is just pretty cool in general. Yellowstone Park is full of wild colors and weird rock formations and regular water explosions, and all that stuff is astrobiology. Somebody gets to do that for a living. They put their rubber boots on and they walk around Yellowstone Park and they think about life on other planets. It's pretty cool. Could be you one day. Anyways, that's my special interest of the day. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.